Hey guys, welcome back to Outside with Shibe. Today we're going to put together the LX55 log mill. I already did an intro for this, but I have so much footage I can't find it, so either it's gone or it's mixed in with a bunch of stuff. So anyway, this is not a how-to, this is just how me and my buddies put his log mill together. So anyway, hopefully you enjoy. I said we're not professionals, so don't criticize us too bad, but like I said, hopefully you enjoy it. And we had a pretty good time putting it together, and we actually got a log set up on it at the end, so you'll be seeing that video coming out real soon. So anyway, enjoy. All right guys, we got the rails put together. Now we're gonna move on to something else. The log holders, I think. So here we go. Well, one step closer
to the edge.
Yep. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3. All right, put it down a little bit.
Down?
Yep. I can't see what the hell's going on. Black thing. All right, bring it back towards you, Michael. Forward more. Need to come towards you, Sam. Oop. You go over here. All right. There she is.
Beautiful. Awesome. Thank you, sir. You're welcome.
All right, guys, now we're installing the security rail, which will prevent the saw head from basically tipping off. All right, guys, before I install the chute, I need to install this cover latch. So that's what we're going to do right now. All right, there's that. Here's the brand spank me new Kohler 14 horse. Comes with oil, manual, keyway, and the engine.
You want to sit it on that?
Yeah. The old Kohler Command Pro.
Supposed to be good engines.
Well,
We'll find out.
yeah, we'll see.
Oh yeah, you're right. There's really nothing to grab on this side, is there? No. Daily. Every 5 hours.
That. Man, that looks sexy.
I don't know. What does it look like? Sure.
Yeah, there we go. So,
That's probably
which way does this go? That is the question. If you can get that up in there and that washer on there, I can spin this on top of it.
I don't understand that washer.
That's what I was saying. It's kind of huge for.
It don't
the
make no
application
sense.
All right, guys. So today we put the head on. We got the engine installed. We got the chute installed. We got the door latch installed, and got the head all aligned so there's no slop in it. All right, guys. As you can see, it's together. We got a log on here. So that's the end of the build series here. Like I said, we're not professionals and I didn't show you every step, but as you can see, it's together. So we're ready to mill some logs. So again, if you like this type of stuff, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, tell a friend. Next video, we're cutting in some lumber, buddy. See you in the next one. Woo!